Hey, what's going on, guys? Caucasian Mark here, whitest dude on the internet. Today we're talking about outlines. Not outlines for like some college class you have or some kind of, logical format of how a paper or speech is going to be given, but it's just an outline. Kind of like highlighting, except not kind of within, but around. How do we do this? Well, we do it by showing. So let's go into here and let's say, outline, and let's do solid, right? Let's come in here and refresh it. Now what we see is we have our border right here. So let's go down here into our border. Let's see, color. Let's give it a color. Let's give it something like pink. Something that'll really offshoot this whole thing. So we have the pink in there at the bottom. Good stuff. And now we have the outline, which is sitting on the outside. Now the outline itself is supposed to draw attention to the element it is surrounding. So now if we're looking at, say, any particular kind of padding, let's go into H1 and let's just add some padding all the way around. So let's do 10 pixels, 0 pixels, 10 pixels for the bottom, and 0 pixels there. From here, we can see here that we still see the border, which is that pink color, but the black is still on the outside of the border. So if we look at the box model, and remember that from last time, the outline kind of sits on the outside of that as well. So it's a nice way of bringing everything in there, so you could be like, hey, this is important. I like to think of it as like a border part 2. I don't use it a whole lot, but it is there for you to use if you want. And just like the border, there are particular types of outlines that you could use if you wanted to, right? So we could go in. We could keep the padding there. It's not going to affect it. So you could do outline, then we could, come here, we could do outline color, we could do style, and we have all of these in here as well. So we could do double, refresh it there, so we have these nice double lines. We could come in here and add a width to it. We could do thick, because I like all my outline with thick. That's my pickup line at the bar this weekend. And we can see that the doubled outline style there is noticeably thicker. We could go up and make it a percentage. We could use pixels, whatever we want to. But the outline is on the outside of the border. It's more emphasis on what's being contained, and it's supposed to draw your eyes to a particular element on the page. Like I said, it's kind of the same mindset as a border. It's just kind of more outer, farther away from the actual element itself. This has been Caucasian Mark. Like, share, subscribe, contribute, all that other jazz. And hope to see you in the next video.